Happy Halloween, daydreamer. Are you ready to get spooky?
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
And what kit screams darkness, spooky, and Halloween like the Deathscythe Hell Custom? Let's get started. And there it is, the Deathscythe Hell Custom. His eyes are lit. Custom paint job on the wings for Halloween. A nice Halloween night where anything's possible and the creatures rejoice in the taste of blood. Or something like that. This kit was a great build, and it was really fun to make and customize when I was very new to the master grade scene and all its deliciously evil components. This just goes to show you that any art style really can be applied to these kits as long as it's the right kit and it's the right fit for the art style you're looking to do. I think that this is a really cool homage to Halloween and October and spooky times. But what do you guys think? Was this worth a Halloween devoted episode? Or was it complete crap? I think it came out great. But then again, I'm just the demon who has infiltrated this channel to show you weird and spooky things once a year. To all you creepy crawler daydreamers out there, I'll see you next year. Hey guys, one more thing. Please like, share, subscribe. Keep following me. I want to really make this community stand out. And by stand out, I mean I really want Gundam and Gunpla in America to have a bigger following. It's something that I enjoy, and I know that a lot of people enjoy it, and it's just something that I think that a lot of people could get something out of. I know that a lot of us have different issues internally, and including anxiety and things like that. And if you can find an art form like this is, where you can follow some directions and you can make something out of it, and then there's so much room to improve and to customize, I just really want to push forward and really be a part of a community that can allow people to do this, because it's really helped me. This is my Zen thing. Whenever I can build and customize Gunpla, it really is something that I can turn some music on, get out of my own head for a little while, and just groove. Once again, I really appreciate everyone that has followed any of my progress for my channel, and anybody who is liked my content enough to subscribe. Thank you so much. Don't forget, at 200 subs, I am having a giveaway. I'm really looking forward to that. I want to be interactive with you guys in the community, and I also want to make sure that I continue with the skirmish game, the Mobile Suit Skirmish game. Scheduling conflicts out the wazoo have really hindered my ability to make more content about that, but I promise you, it is on the books. It is coming. It's just not something that I've been able to do yet. So everybody out there, and to you, yes you daydreamer about Gunpla and model building, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, because I assume you have. And I'll see you next time.